In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart lists and personal lists in Microsoft To Do. We'll walk through a simple example so you can clearly see the difference between these two features and understand how they help you stay organized. Smart lists in Microsoft To Do are built-in views that automatically collect tasks based on certain conditions, while personal lists are the custom lists you create yourself for your own workflow. To begin, open Microsoft To Do and go to the My Day page. My Day is designed to help you focus on the tasks you want to pay attention to today. It's a great starting point because it gives you a clean, simple view of what's currently on your plate. Once you're in My Day, enter a new task. You can type the task name into the task field and add it just as you normally would. This is useful for quickly capturing something you want to remember or complete today. Keep your task title clear and specific so it's easier to recognize later, especially when it appears in other views. After creating the task, click the star icon next to it to mark it as important. In Microsoft To Do, starring a task tells the app that this item deserves extra attention. This is one of the easiest ways to highlight priorities without needing to move the task somewhere else manually. Now, click on the important list in the sidebar. This is one of Microsoft To Do's smart lists. As soon as you open it, you'll see the task you just marked with a star appear there automatically. That's the key benefit of a smart list. You don't have to recreate or move the task yourself. Microsoft To Do filters and displays it for you based on the property you assigned, in this case, importance. Next, create a new list by entering a title for it. This new list is your personal list. Unlike smart lists, which are generated automatically by Microsoft To Do, personal lists are created by you and can be named based on projects, categories, routines, or anything else that fits the way you like to organize your text. This is a helpful distinction to remember. If you want Microsoft To Do to automatically group tasks based on status or attributes, use smart lists. If you want to build your own structure from scratch, use personal lists. That's it. You've now seen how to add a task in My Day, mark it as important so it appears in a smart list, and create a personal list for your own custom organization. With these two tools working together, Microsoft To Do becomes much more flexible and easier to manage.